Okay, they're pulling it. Woo! Yay! I filmed this. Remember that.
All right, ladies, are you ready?
Okay.
Yeah, Will.
Wait, Will, do you want me to get both of them?
Yeah.
Film down.
The down, first down sit. This one's the yellow one.
Film everything.
Also film
Get closer. I point for
I got it.
I called Julian man.
Do it. I'm gonna film.
I called man Julian today.
Colin, can you move these popsicles in for us?
I called him.
Wait, Will, can you get out of the way? Need to some film.
Oh, hi man. And she's like, I have to wait. Olivia. I'm like,
Guys, I'm gonna film this. Wait, move, everyone move. Yay. Anyone else going before I stop the camera?
All right, ladies, are you set to go now? Are you set to go now? We need to do it, so we have to clean up.
wait, Jason, can you record all of them together?
Yes.
Will you please be collecting
know.
sticks and put them into the...
Wait, I gotta record this last one.
I know. Alright, can I do it? I would think it should be set off already. Because it came apart.
Okay, ending the video.